Hello guys, this is Mukesh Agrawal. Welcome to our channel Profound EduTech Private Limited. Today I am here to give you brief information about the Open Campus Drive organized by DBS. It is also known as the DBS Campus Hack to Hire 2021. Okay, so before starting with the information on the Campus Drive, I would like to request everyone to subscribe our YouTube channel, okay, and click on the bell icon. While you will be subscribing the YouTube channel, you will be getting the regular updates on the open campus drives, and also you can attend the free workshop organized by Profound EduTech every week on various technologies. Okay, so let's start with the information on the drive. About TPS. TPS is a Singaporean MNC company which is mainly into the banking and financial services, and it is having its headquarters at Marina Bay, Singapore. Okay, it is having more than 100 branches all over the world, and it is the largest bank in Southeast Asia. Okay, now GPS First Development Center outside Singapore is at Hyderabad, India, and they are hiring the freshers for it from across India. Here you will be getting the chance to work on big data, machine learning, and artificial intelligence. Now let's discuss how can you participate in this TPS Campus Hack to Hire 2021. Okay, so there will be three rounds mainly. First will be your online assessment, second will be the hackathon, and third will be your personal interview. For first round, that is your online assessment test, I have shared the link in the description and also at the end of the video. This is a simple online test which you have to appear. Once you clear this online test, you will be eligible for the second round, which is the hackathon, and the hackathon is held on 27 Feb 2021. Okay, and once you clear this hackathon, which is on 27 Feb 2021, there will be your personal interview by the company. Okay, and once you clear this final interview, you will be working in the world best bank, guys. Eligibility criteria for TPS Campus Hack to Hire 2021 is you should be BE BTech in computer science or information technology stream only, and you should be 2021 batch passed out. Okay, the aggregate percentage required in academics is 60% throughout, that is in 10, 12, and your graduation or post graduation. Now, the desired skill for DBS. DBS is looking for the candidates who are a full stack developer and having the good knowledge on mobile and web application for both. It will be preferred if you have good knowledge on cloud computing and operating system. Guys, there are few guidelines while you will be appearing for the online test. Okay, I will suggest that you should open the link in the incognito window only. Make sure there is no other window or application is open on your laptop. While you will be appearing for the test, don't minimize your screen. Okay, you have to click on submit button after each question, and in case you have any problem with the question or if you don't get anything, you can click on the question mark symbol which is at the bottom right corner. Okay, the time cannot be paused while you will be appearing for the test. You can check the detailed guidelines while you will be appearing for the test. You will be given all the guidelines before the exam. Okay, to apply for this drive, kindly visit the given URL. Also, you can find this URL in the description where you can directly click and visit the website. Also, guys, I would like to give you a brief about the Profound EduTech. Okay, so Profound EduTech is basically India's top IT training and placement company. Here we have tie-ups with more than 2,500 clients. Okay, we train you in different technology like full stack, .NET, Java, Python, data science, etc., and provide you unlimited interview calls. Okay, we have placed more than 5,500 students till date. To know more about the Profound EduTech or to inquire about any of our services, you can contact on our given number, that is 89830 This is a full stack developer track where we'll cover from the basic, that is on C, C++, database to the most advanced technologies. Here we'll be covering your basic modules, then Java, then Angular, then all your server-side JS, Python, software testing, and the multiple projects. This is a full stack Java developer program. This is a software testing program where we cover from the basic, the manual testing, then automation testing, and few other tools on testing. Guys, these are few highlights of our courses. We have both online and offline training modes. All our trainings are taken by the highly experienced staff with minimum 8+ year experience. We take multiple real-time projects, and also the assignments are taken on the regular basis. Once you join Profound, you will be eligible to attend the n number of drives by the top MNC companies in India. You can follow us on various social media channels like Facebook, YouTube, Telegram, and our website is also mentioned here. Okay, guys, so do like our video and follow us on Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram. Okay, thank you so much for your time, and very all the best for your career and the upcoming campus drives. Thank you.